test of the emergency alert system.
Coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations of your area. If this had been an actual emergency, an official message would have followed the alert tone. This station serves the New York City area. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.